What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Sundays with the Versaces. It's your boy Clyde D.
And your girl, Shami V.
Guys, I just want to take the time to thank you so much for all the love and support that you've been receiving, the comments, the likes, the shares, and especially to all our new subscribers. Welcome to the family. We're glad to have you. But before we get into today's video, we got to give you that
Drop of Jesus. Guys, and today's scripture is found in John 14 verse 6, and it says, Jesus answered, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. So be blessed by that. I am super excited to introduce today's special guest, guys. He has made a name for himself in the music industry. Hy is super gevaarlik. Hy is talented. Hy skryf sy eie music. He's just done the things, guys. Let's put our hands together. Yes. Let's put our hands together for Cameron Ward. Hello, Cameron.
Welcome, Mr. Wood.
Goed man, goed.
I'm good. How are you doing?
Awesome, very well, thank you.
Welkom.
Thank you for having me here.
It's a big pleasure.
Thank you for availing yourself in. I know that there's busy times that you have. For taking the time out of your busy schedule to come and have a chat with us. We really appreciate it,
It is
man.
my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Ach man,
Not a
awesome.
problem, man.
So, Cameron, I'm just going to jump into, are you feeling okay? Are you feeling comfortable?
I'm happy. I'm very comfortable.
Okay.
Ik is met mijn mensen.
Lovely. So tell us, I'm looking at this beautiful guitar. It's absolutely stunning for the eye. Tell us, where did it actually start? Where did this guitar playing start? I mean, there's thousands of instruments out there.
So, where my guitar journey started is about just over 18 years ago. When I started as a drummer in church.
Wow.
In Artery, Pinkster Protestant Kerk. And then I started playing the bass for a while, and then my mom wanted me to be a pianist, so I went to Bachut for classical training. And I told my mom, nee, this is what I will do. And then I formed a band with my cousins, which we were called Cousins for Christ at the time. So the one played bass, the other one was
the name. It was like there's a light bulb.
Yeah, and the other one played drums.
Yes.
And so the only instrument that was left was the guitar. So I said, okay, I'll play the guitar, because I could play a bit of everything. And then I used to borrow guitars here and there, and then I heard of a great guitar player, which I never knew would be my friend one day, Jimmy Dudu. And then I fell in love with his playing. That time it was still called P4 Radio. So on Sunday night I would listen to P4 Radio, and that's where my love grew and started for the guitar. I was 14 years of age at the time, and still going strong.
Nice.
So everything started in church.
Everything starts in church, yeah.
We've had so many guests, like even I could say the first time Clyde interviewed me, alles het by die kerk begin. It's amazing hoe veel hy ons gevat het.
No, it is amazing. Seeing that you mentioned like Jimmy Dudu and those, who was your musical inspiration growing up?
Well, I'm all for our local people.
Okay.
Before I got to meet Jimmy Dudu, or before I got introduced to his music, here in Lotus River Gracie Park, I used to listen to a lot of guitar players, even in our church. Some of them still do play guitar, and some don't play anymore. But I would like to acknowledge them. He doesn't live too far from me anymore. His name is Bruputi. I used to love him. There's one of my all-time favorite guitar players from Gracie Park called Terence Rowland. Yes. There's Jason Delaney that I used to still listen to when I do get time, and then Julius May, one of my all-time favorites, and then Alo April.
Yes.
And the list just goes on, and then I ended up with Jimmy Dudu, and from Jimmy Dudu, George Benson, and the list goes on.
That is no international.
And I'm all for my own people.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, of course. You came back home.
Local bly maar natuurlijk lekker, né?
Absolute.
So Cameron, you were in Joburg for quite a while, and we are happy to have you home. Welcome to Cape Town.
There's no place like home, man.
How's being back home been for you?
It is very, very nice. There's no place like home. It's absolutely amazing to see the joy in my kids, in my wife. Just being home is just, that's net iets van huis. En wanneer ook al is huis toe gekom met, vir Christmas of net vir werk of vir holiday, het was altyd gesukkel om in die kar te klim, hoe het ons gereed. Ek het nooit gelyk om Kaap toe te ry nie, because ek het altyd 'n probleem gehad om
terug te gaan.
Ek was baie excited, ek kan vir 'n stryd gered Kaap toe. Maar de eerste tijd, dus was Joburg tijd, het was altijd a nightmare. So it's just absolutely amazing to be at home.
Yeah.
It's just a great feeling and experience to be here.
What made you move back to Cape Town? Like what
So for the past 3 years now, while in my journey with Prayu, I used to often come to Cape Town, obviously for work, gigs and things like that, and obviously holiday. And knowing there's a lot of greatness in our people.
Yeah.
When you travel, I did by the grace of God, and as far as Joburg, and when people know, or when they ask you, so from where are you, and you say, no, I'm from Cape Town, immediately they know us, like, hulle skrik met iets goed, because they know it's like New Orleans is the hub of jazz, Cape Town is the hub of all the talented people and music, which ever genre it is, it's just we are blessed in the mother city with the best. And so I always had this dream to have like a music foundation, not to make money out of it, but to let our people know that there's more to drugs, there's more to early pregnancy, there's more to alcohol and these things. You can actually do something better, you know, even if you were raised by a single parent like I was, you can still become and achieve your dreams. And that was part of my main reason was to come home to do that. So 3 years ago I told my wife, no, we need to open a MPO, Cameron Wood Music Foundation, and she was like, okay, cool. So we did that, and I said, we started in Joburg, and then it went very well there, and so we got sponsors like National Lotteries and all these great people. And then 2 years ago I came back to Lotus River, because I had one at our church, and I said, you know, this December I'm gonna spend it with our people, and you know, we attracted over like 200 people in being Lotus River, and with the feeding thingy that we did there, and we had KFC being one of our sponsors, and it was just an awesome sight and something beautiful to see, you know, how people play, like, because I used to attend Zukufla High and back Primary to see all my old
you were
to see people fall in love with music and themselves again was just an awesome sight. And then obviously planning, and then COVID happened, and we delayed some of our plans because we had most of our stuff here in Lotus River already, because we've been posting it and sending it back here to Cape Town. And then obviously we were a bit stuck on the other side with the COVID thingy, and then as soon as the gates opened for us to travel, and my wife said and I said, listen, this is the opportunity. Ons nou spot voor het weer toe gaan, and that's how we ended up in Cape Town, and it's just it's very fulfilling to do and to share this God-given blessing and gift that God has blessed us with.
No, 100%.
You've just touched on what you were just about to ask about, how the Cameron Wood Foundation started. But I want to know, for people watching today and they want to know more about this and they're interested in enrolling or whatever the process is, how do they go about that?
So we do have an Instagram page and a Facebook page, which is called the CW Music Foundation on Instagram and Facebook. We do have a WhatsApp line as well where they can contact us, and our email address is cwmusicfoundation07@gmail.com. That's where people can actually email. So this school is basically, you know what, whether you're full-time or have a day job, and if you want to iron or sharpen your gift, and if you feel you've got that gift, we are here as a foundation, as a music academy, to take you and try to help you to get you to the next level. If you are stuck at one place, this is simply just us trying to take you by the hand and take you to the next level.
So is there any cost involved? Is that the things you include when they contact you?
Yeah, so there is cost involved. So I wanted it to be free. And then I realized that we have instruments to take care of, we have teachers to take care of, and there's other things, you know, that needs to be taken care of. So now our license is 100 Rand for 40 minutes. The registration is a once-off fee of 50 Rand, and the lessons per month is 400 Rand. And that's just to cover the
But that's still very doable. The amount isn't that extreme. Like if you should go to a music school where you're going to pay
I struggle with the figures, because I told my wife, it's like, how do we do this? Because it's for our people, and we ended up with that amount, which I think He's not bad at all.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's in a nutshell the Cameron Woods Foundation.
I just have another question
Yeah.
with regards to if you say for people to come in sharpen their skill.
Yeah.
But what about someone like me that has no, like
that
I
wanna
don't
start
play
from
an
scratch.
instrument at all, but I want to
Yeah.
start from scratch.
Yeah.
Is that also where they can come?
Yeah, from beginners to advanced.
Okay, so
Okay.
you can come if you have no skill.
We have,
the
yeah,
skill.
we have like over 10. I think the boys. I posted the video and then some people shared it. That is youngsters that couldn't play a note 2
Yes,
months
yes, I
ago.
saw
Yes.
the story. That
Yeah.
was the video clip
Yeah.
you're talking about. Yes,
So
that's
within a
all
month,
Mm.
that's what we've learned them theory. Also the business side of music is
Yeah.
really,
Okay.
really important. So part of the foundation is to give people. I think that your gift will only make room for you and take you that far. But
Yes.
what will take you further is the character and your nature and the type of person that you
Yes.
are. And also, most importantly, you want to own your own house. You want to start a family.
Yes.
You want to buy a
Yes.
car. You want to live a comfortable life through music. So, at the foundation, we teach those things as well. To
Yes.
say, you need to present yourself. You need to actually think of having like a business account or something. whereby
Yes.
you
the
can pay
understanding
yourself
of
a
all
salary.
aspects of
Exactly.
the
Not just
of
your
the
guitar and
yeah,
being
not
skillful.
just yes,
I think
but
that's
also
wonderful
the
that you add
surrounding.
that in.
I think that's a really good skill
So,
to have.
yeah, and
to-
just so that they don't just walk out there with a playing skill,
Yeah.
but they work out with
It's
a knowledge
life skill.
They must have
like,
the knowledge. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I don't believe you can be a great player or a great vocalist, but then you're just
Yeah.
gonna be there on
Yeah.
the streets,
No,
not
100%.
knowing that you can actually go through the roof and actually achieve and go higher and higher.
Yeah, lekker man, ek is baie bly met die foundation.
Ek is
Especially because
excited.
it's just down the road here from
Yeah,
us.
absolutely. Ja, nee, ja, dat dacht ik aan.
Literally. So I want to test your skills. You know, the Spraakman skills.
I
So we're
think
gonna do a
so.
surprise game.
It's game time.
I don't know how you feel about it,
Oké.
but this
Okay.
is more
Kijk, het is,
a quick thinking game.
It's a quick thinking game. You have 60 seconds to answer as many questions as you can.
Okay.
Okay, so there's
Okay,
no
wait,
wrong,
Wait,
there's
do you
no
need some
right.
time or you're right?
No, it's fine.
It's just a game face now.
Yeah, that's my game plan. Yeah, I'm trying to focus. I'm zooming in now.
Okay, that's fine.
So 60 seconds to answer as many questions as you can.
Okay.
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 No right, no wrong.
No, right, no, wrong.
Just shoot.
Whatever comes to mind.
Let the spirit lead.
Wait. Okay, so are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Alright.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, start.
If money was no object, what would you buy?
If money was no object, what would I
Yeah.
buy? Okay, next.
Okay, yeah, you can die say.
Okay, can I say?
If you could have a superpower, what would it be?
Superpower to change the world.
Okay, if you could eat only one time. No, Clyde, stop this guy.
Wat
Oh,
nou?
sorry, stop.
Dat heb je klaar.
Nee, zij is al bij 31 seconds. No, nobody. Nee, wait.
Hoeveel kan elke kost het weer? Kost het weer?
Ons gaat weer.
Ons gaat weer.
Dat is een opwarming.
Ja, hij was
Ah, wait.
hij was
If you have an option to buy anything, it's like dat we kopen elkaar, man.
Op huis komen ze
Op een hele
huis.
school, maar ik kan dus.
Ja. Ja, dan ben je huis in de gekregen. Oké, laat ik het vatjes dat komt.
Oké, here we go. Oké,
Let's try this again.
Ik ga die question uitlossen. hè?
Nee.
Ik ga die question uitlossen. Waarschijnlijk
Oké,
hoe van.
dus stop.
Wacht, ik ga mijne krijgen.
It's starting again
Right,
from
oh,
60
yes.
seconds.
Yes, 60
Okay.
seconds.
Okay.
Ik krijg
Are you
clean
ready?
slate.
I'm ready now. Let's go clean.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, start.
If you could only eat one type of food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Biryani.
Susa, what would you throw away, love or money?
Money.
Name your top 3 songs on your playlist,
On
right?
my playlist, Mamela, Liga, and what's the stuff? TV checks. Okay, it's fine.
Nice, fine, nice.
If you could be any animal, what would it be?
I love Urdu.
Okay. What is the most beautiful place you've ever been to?
Brazil.
Do you save or spend?
Save.
Finish the sentence. Love is.
Beautiful.
Your favorite TV show.
Queen. The Queen.
Favorite saying.
Absolutely.
Liverpool, Manchester, or Chelsea.
Manchester.
Woo!
Yeah.
Would you rather have 10 hobbies or one passion?
One passion.
What is your most used word?
Absolutely. Yeah.
And stop. Well done. I'm so happy you said Manchester because we had so many people.
I was thinking again.
You didn't say which
I know, yeah.
You didn't say which Manchester. I was assuming it's United. You didn't say
Yeah,
which
no,
one. So
it
I'm
was a close
assuming.
one, yeah.
That was a
Manchester, yeah,
good.
Manchester.
That was a good
Wow,
answer.
flippin'
Well
done.
done to you.
Thank you.
As soon as wat 'n opwarmingskaart gekry het, ek moet daar add, guys. Nobody even said it was massage had 'n opwarmingssession.
I think that's what the funniest
That
one
was
we
fun,
made.
yeah.
Okay, it was fun. Did you
sweet.
enjoy that?
I enjoyed that. Thank you.
Now the people at least also know you a bit better, man.
Yeah.
Not just the
Hulle
serious
weet
side,
hulle
the
biryani
fantasy side.
en
Ja,
dan-
every year.
Is it hoender
My
of was
favourite.
it mutton or what is
Ek
it?
is meer vir die mutton.
Die mutton.
Ja,
Okay.
My vrou
The meat.
Ja, as hy my hart wil steel.
So sy maak dit self, is sy met die baie en daai.
Nee, my vrou maak dit self.
Lekker man.
Stuff.
Dis 'n organizer.
Asseblief. Ek maak so ek reël dit sommer hom en dan.
Mooi man.
Ja,
I love it. It's so fun to that, you know. Okay, on the topic in terms of gigs and stuff, what you currently busy with at the moment?
So I recorded an album called Sondela, which means
Okay.
come closer.
Nice.
It's an album that speaks or talks about love. It's more vocals on this album that I'm about to release.
Nice.
I probably have one instrumental on it.
Okay.
So I've got a lot of guests on it. You know, I'm actually excited to release this project.
Can you
So I will-
reveal any?
Not really.
Nothing.
Not really. I want to keep
Okay.
it.
No
Well, now
hints.
we will
Yes.
release singles. You know,
Okay,
Yeah.
starting
okay.
from August up until as a build up till December.
Okay.
So later this year, definitely. The
Nice.
Nee, dit gaat lekker wees man.
Absolutely.
Ik was nog altijd. Wait man, ik was nog.
So I'm confused.
Ik was nog altijd bij de
Okay, then wow, you compose yourself. You think what we done, baby. Okay, I think wow, you composing yourself. Because clearly you still caught up with the game.
It's okay.
Cameron is gonna do something special for us guys that he's prepared. And I know you guys will be blessed, so geniet it. And you must correct yourself
Yeah,
so
nah,
together.
Yeah.
Nou, dat was gewoon.
No better news.
Prachtig man!
Ja, time to
Yo.
show off.
Yeah,
Jij
no,
was mooi, dankie man.
I only do this, so yeah. When you get the opportunity to play, you play with it.
Yes,
Play,
of course.
you play.
Yeah, no,
Cameron, you have a lot of your own music out, right?
yes, I do.
So waar kan mensen naar je goed gaan luisteren? Where can we get?
The last album is available on all online platforms
Okay.
such as iTunes, Amazon. It's called Cameron Wood Live at the Orbit.
Nice.
I have a special guest there that's not with us anymore called Prayuma Sekela, the late Prayuma
Yes,
Sekela.
yes.
So he's on there. I've got a song titled Lekker die Lotus. which,
Are you serious?
yeah, it's on that record as well. So that is like a ba ba da ba da ba da. So yeah, whenever I play that song, it goes it's a sing along. So yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's one of the most songs that kom van my hart af.
Yeah.
Die almal kom dit van my hart af.
Yes.
Yes,
But
of
that's
course,
the
but
one
I
that
say
I play
special
that,
place.
especially when you play
Australia.
it abroad and people actually
Hulle voel het, né?
hulle voel het, yeah, that's the most. So album is available on all online platforms and stores. Obviously music is not around anymore. It used to be in music
Yes.
but they closed down.
Yes.
So yeah, online for now.
So was it a live DVD kind
It was
of?
a live DVD and album recording, which I
Okay.
did in 2017 in Johannesburg
Okay.
at a jazz restaurant they called The Orbit. So that's why it's called
That's
Cameron
like
Wood
that,
at
yeah.
the-
But is anywhere else that you can? I know you said music is closed now, but is there is there not?
Well, I
is
do
there no
have
clips
different-
on YouTube?
Oh yeah. If you
Anything
punch
like
in
that?
my name, you will see it there. on
Okay,
YouTube,
so
yeah.
just Cameron Ward on YouTube.
Yeah.
You just search for that
I
and
think
you
it
will.
will be Cameron Wood guitarist or something.
Okay.
And
Okay.
everything will come up there. So Fire Towers, Lekkernie Lotus,
Lovely.
So that's it. I got 8 check there, so
yeah, no.
so must know.
Wees 'n bietjie
notice.
liefde man, moenie so.
Of course, ons gaan
guys,
dit
go out and
doen.
subscribe to his channel so you can also see you upload frequently on
I'm not
your
gonna lie to
channel.
you, no, I do not.
Okay.
Yeah.
But your work do you upload on your?
Yeah, now and then when I do get time. I'm only getting into it now to actually
Okay.
put on videos
Yeah.
and things. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, good.
Guys, we
go out
will
and
put
support
the we will put the all these things that Cameron has mentioned, where he plays, where you can go check out the music. We will put it in the description below. I also want to find out if people want to book you as Cameron
Yeah.
Ward. Obviously, yes, you've made a name. It's easy to search you, but
Yeah.
obviously, we're not going to give any cell phone numbers, no?
No.
Yeah.
Guys, we don't know like that.
Ek wil sê nommer gee nie.
But where can they get hold of
So
you?
they can email us jodylottering@yahoo.com, and then they can inbox us on Facebook, Cameron Wood Music on Facebook,
Alright.
and Cameron Wood Music on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfecto.
Fine, man. Because very excited for the album and for that you're busy with,
Yeah.
and the new music that's coming.
So the new album is more about love. Het praat van liefde.
It's
So
like
it comes
Mooi.
closer, kom nader. So
Yes.
I hope that people will do the necessary.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
sure people are going to enjoy it, man.
Yeah, definitely.
We definitely get that music when it's out.
Absolutely.
So Cameron, we've almost come to the end. This is so sad.
Really?
So we gaan
Dit gaat so
gauw.
gauw.
Yeah, but I mean, so funny.
Like rare, like a fool so nou net hier kon sit.
Yeah.
Yo,
was it
I don't like this podcast. I want to know, is there, you obviously always involved with the young people at your music school and foundation and stuff, but what advice can you give to the youth out there?
My advice to the youth out there is to never stop dreaming, never stop believing in yourself. You know, I always say that if you can dream it, if you can dream it, you can definitely achieve it.
Yes.
I look at myself. I didn't do that well on school. You know, I dropped out at Zikufle at grade 8, which is standard 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And, I told my mom, because she asked me, what was I actually doing? I said, Mommy, I will guitar speel. She's like, oh, ik wil guitar spelen. But she never like,
Sy het
sy het nooit weg van my gehou nie.
sy het
She
nie
left me. She
teruggehou
was
nie.
very cool, do what you need to do. And that was my dream, just to be on the stage and play my heart out. And never did I know that a few years later, by the grace of God, I would travel,
Yes.
record albums,
Yes,
and,
yes.
travel and play and share this gift that God has blessed me with. So never give up. I composed a song a few years ago, never give up, all lose hope along the way. There's more to life and there's brighter days ahead. Don't just hold on. It won't be long.
Yeah.
Don't give up because joy is on its way. So wherever you are, if you're going through a rough patch, don't give up.
Yeah.
Joy is on its way.
How relevant
Mm.
and so perfect for that closing message.
No, it is.
Cameron, it was really, really nice to have you with us
Was
today.
lekker, maar
Het was kort, maar het was krachtig.
Dingetjie wat jy nou gooi was te kort. Give
Maar
us
nee,
some,
wees
yes,
speel.
that is something.
You sound so like an
another.
outro.
So guys, we hope you have a wonderful Sunday and a
See you
blessed
next
week
week,
ahead.
yeah.
Peace.
Bye. Yes.
That's what it's about. Peace.
Bye.
This was fun.